I think, like, I got an idea. We could do a slight improvement of this game where we could add normals to all these blocks that are generated, just like we did in Godot. And this will give us to be able to have lighting, like Unity lighting, like I'm not sure what it was called. Like, let's go back, set the render distance to 1 so the world generates faster, and let's go back to where we generate each blocks and see if we can generate normals for the blocks. Can I have here private list vector 3? I think this will be very fun. Normals, at least for me. New list vector 3. Just like we did in Godot, because in Godot here we, instead of adding only vertices, we add normals as well. So when we play it, we have lighting. It interacts with the light just as the default cube. That's what I want to implement, at least to attempt to implement this. Let's see, where do we add vertices? Vertices to array. Vertices add. Yeah, this is for all the sides. So here I could have normals add new vector 3. This is for the front, z minus 1. So let's add like 0, 0 minus 1. And we have to do this 4 times. 4 times. Now for here, let's do it like +1 normals. Here, let's do, here it should be zeros, and let's copy it like that. And this is the right, so on the x1s. And this is the left. So let's do -1. This is the top. So let's do here 1. And this is the bottom. Let's do -1. And let's see, where do we, where did we add those vertices? Normals, clear. And here, mesh, normals equals to array. And let's run it. Let's see if we have lighting. Right now we don't have lighting, but we probably just don't have a light. How can we create a light? Create empty 3D light, direction light. This is it. Let's rotate it. We don't see a change. Let's inspect the mesh. Does it have normals? It has normals. Normals. It has normals, so maybe we should look at the material. Which material is it using? This is for the collider. Materials. Atlas. Unlit. I'm using unlit. So universal render pipeline. Lit. What? This is the lit shader. It doesn't have shadows. Let's add shadows. Oh my god. Oh no. Let's add shadows. Is there an option for that? Metallic, specular, surface type, render face, receive shadows, yes. Smoothness. Like this looks better. It's not creating shadows. But I don't know why we don't get shadows. Oh, let's play around with the light rotation. Here we should have shadows. We should have shadows. Let's look at the settings for the light. Shadows, no shadows, hard shadows. Yo, even the tree has shadows. What? Soft shadows? What? Yes, soft shadows look better, I think. We have shadows. Look at how cool this is. Strength. We can change the strength of the shadows. We can custom shadow layers, rendering, emission. Let's go back inside the game. Yeah, this is the Minecraft clone in Unity. Look at how cool this is. Yo. And let's see if the shadows update when we destroy here the blocks. They update. Yo, they update. What? Man, this is so cool. We have shadows. Oh, come on, this is so cool. Man, this is a big upgrade. And I didn't have to do much. Do you know how much work this would have been in Java? How much work this would have been in Java? Man, I'm thinking of switching to like using a game engine. Like, look how the shadows disappear. No more shadows here. And if I create a block, I get shadows. Look at how I get shadows. It's so cool. I cannot pass through here. It's so cool, man. We got shadows just by adding normals to the generated vertices. If we get 100 FPS, that's bad. That's bad. Because like my machine is very good and... Okay, what's the FPS? What's the FPS? 150. 160. So 40 FPS down. We are 40 FPS down with this new shader. Is that bad? Is that bad? Let's remove the stats and let's man, we have shaders here. That's so cool.